She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady and I wanna show her.
Y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a list of my favorite YouTube channels. I figured that like during this time you might need some more YouTube channels to watch, so I'm gonna give y'all a list. So let's get started. So to keep my list organized, I'm going to tell y'all my favorite YouTube channels in genres. So I'm gonna start with commentary channel. So the first commentary channel that I really like is Michelle McDaniel. Well, actually her YouTube channel is called My Thoughts Will Probably Offend You, and she says she's so funny. Like, she does cosplay. I'm not really like a cosplay person, but I like to see what kind of ideas she comes up with. And she talks about like fat acceptance. She has her own like donut business. It's like protein donuts and stuff like that. And she's also a personal trainer, and she always says she's a personal trainer and a proud mother of a pug. So yeah, I really like Michelle McDaniel. I like her personality, and she's just like somebody that you watch when you're bored. It's Keisha, and she doesn't really talk about like fat acceptance and body positivity. She talks about more of like influencer drama, I guess you would say. I'm not really big on the influencer drama stuff. I kind of just like, that's not my thing, but she makes it entertaining even though I don't know the ins and outs of the situation. But she sings too, and she can sing like if you go to one of her videos, her intro song is always a song that she made, and like she can sing so well. Sometimes in her videos she'll even like bust out in song. It's hilarious. That I really like is Amanda. I think that's how you say it. Her name is Amanda, but a 19-year-old college student, like, you know, something that I can relate to, and she's a black girl. All these people. So I'm editing this and I'm realizing that all of these commentary channels do not talk about just influencer drama. It's Keisha and Amanda. They talk about an array of things. Amanda talks about like the Sims, stuff that's wrong with the Sims, and then it's Keisha and Amanda both talk about like racist stuff on all the platforms. So they don't just cover influencer tea. Well, our people of color, I gotta support my people of color. Well, my black people. But she's really funny, and she's kind of like, it's Keisha, like I think they're friends or whatever because they refer to each other in videos, but you know, you never know. And like she ranks albums, she does videos like Everything Wrong with America's Next Top Model. That's actually the first video that I watched. And she does videos about influencer drama, and she just makes it so funny. Like, I don't keep up, like I said, like I don't keep up with influencer drama, but they just make it funny. And the last commentary channel that I'm going to talk about is Ready to Glare. I don't know if any of y'all watch her, but like she's, I don't know, she just gives off that like gothic, because she's not gothic, but like I just really like her attitude towards some things. Like she tells it like it is, and she's just really cool. Like I would want to meet her in person. One of my favorite YouTubers is going to be true crime. So I started watching true crime videos like last summer. My friend actually introduced me to BuzzFeed Unsolved, which I don't really watch anymore. I've kind of like branched out to other YouTube channels. So the first one is going to be Bailey Sarian. I love Bailey Sarian so much. Like she's hilarious. Like her humor, it's that inappropriate dark humor where she's like, stop laughing, Bailey, it's not funny. Like I find that so funny. But she's not really a like true crime YouTuber. Like she uploads on Mondays and Saturdays, I think, and she does other stuff on Saturdays. But I actually started watching her when she started doing her Murder Mystery and Makeup Monday, and she just makes true crime so entertaining, even though it's like shouldn't be entertaining because it's stuff people did. But she makes stuff funny. Like I like funny people. YouTuber that does true crime is Kendall Ray. It's actually the second true crime YouTube channel that I started watching. She just, like I said, she's like Bailey. She makes stuff funny and she's also very informative. I can tell that she does extensive research on the topics that she's looking for, and she includes her own little like opinions and stuff in there. Also has a podcast with her boyfriend. I don't really know her boyfriend's name, called the Mile High Podcast, and she kind of does like the same thing she does on her YouTube channel, except it's a podcast. It is with her boyfriend. And I feel like now that since she's gotten a little bigger, she doesn't really do like conspiracy theories like she used to, because she used to do like a ton of conspiracy theories like a year ago. But now I feel like she's stuck to more like true crime and missing persons cases. Best favorite true crime YouTubers are the BuzzFeed Unsolved Network, aka Ryan and Shane. Need I say more? Need I say more? I really love Ryan and Shane. They're hilarious. They do like ghost hunting, like they'll go out to like a haunted location. I think they went to Salem, Oregon. They used the spirit box to talk to him. And of course, like at first, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of believed it, but even if it's staged, it's still funny. Like, Ryan and Shane are hilarious. I really suggest that y'all watch. My next genre of YouTubers are ASMR YouTubers. If you don't know what ASMR is, it's automated sensory meridian response. If somebody starts playing in your hair and you get like those tingles in the back of your neck and in your head, that's what ASMR is. And my favorite triggers are like role plays and stuff, like spa role plays and some like hair brushing role plays. I really like is Soy ASMR, and she's a Korean YouTuber. I just feel like I don't want to be specific, but I feel like Korean YouTubers really put more effort into their videos than like American YouTubers do. No offense, but a majority of the ASMR artists that I watch are Korean, and I just feel like like I said, I feel like they put more effort into their videos. The next one is Latte ASMR. Oh my god, y'all. When I discovered Latte, it was like a dream come true. Like, it's like everything is checked off. Her voice isn't too like soft, and the cinematography, like sis is out here making movies, and she just recently hit 1 million subscribers, and I'm so happy for her. But also, she doesn't really do like any Q&As or about me videos, and I don't even think she's on Instagram, and I kind of like that. It's like, okay, we can see that you're doing all this stuff, but I don't know how you do it. But I like the mystery behind it. I like how she doesn't really reveal how she makes her videos, and it makes me enjoy it more. So the next ASMR artist or ASMR YouTuber that I really like to watch is ALB in Whisperland ASMR. So she's from Canada. She's one of the few ASMR artists that I watch that aren't Korean, but I really like her hair. Her hair is like the bomb, and she can paint. She does painting videos, and she does videos of her like taking the tape off her paint, and that's a nice trigger. And she just recently uploaded a video of her playing Animal Crossing. That I'm going to buy Animal Crossing just because I saw her playing it. Her hair is so pretty. I like her style. Her style is vintage. I wouldn't wear it, but it's nice on her, and I really like that she knows her style, and she does like really kitschy stuff. They call it kitschy. I don't really know what it means, but it's cute. So the next ASMR YouTuber is Myling ASMR. She says it Mealing ASMR. I really don't know, so I'm just gonna call her Myling. Kind of like Latte, but Myling doesn't show her face. Like how Latte doesn't show how she makes her videos, Myling doesn't really show her face, and I really think that's a good thing, but it also adds to like the mystery of it all. And she also makes movies too. Like the cinematography of these people's videos is like out of this world. So the last ASMR artist I watch is Sophie Michelle ASMR. I've actually been watching Sophie for like 3 years now, and I really appreciate her come up. Like, sis is doing layered sounds now. She's doing more role plays, and I just really like her. I like her accent, and oh yeah, she's from London, and she's pretty. She's so pretty, and she helps me fall asleep. And her blue eyes are just so beautiful. And I just feel like she's a beautiful person inside and out. And she also has another YouTube channel called Sincerely Sophie. I don't really watch it, but I might one day. So this last category of YouTubers are like, I classified it as other because I really couldn't find a category to put them in. So I just called them other. First YouTuber for my other category is Jessica Cant. So I feel like she's a really cool person. She's like I don't want to call her like a prison YouTuber, but she does talk about like her prison life and her going to prison, how she went to prison, why she went to prison, what happened to her in prison, and she had a baby in prison and all that stuff. So, I mean, I don't plan on going to prison. It's entertainment, y'all. Like, you don't have to watch stuff that pertains to your life, but hearing people's life stories is just really, really interesting. And she does like how to make a prison spread video, how to do prison makeup. It's hilarious. But other than that, she does have another YouTube channel called the Jessica and Reese Show, which she does with her boyfriend. Again, I don't really watch her other channel. I just like her prison channel because like it's entertaining, and the way she talks about it, even though it was a major part of her life, she talks about it kind of lightheartedly, which I like, because you know it's in your past, and she always lets us know like not to dwell on your past. Channel that I tune into faithfully is the Try Guys and the Tripod. Y'all, I discovered the Try Guys after they left BuzzFeed, and so then I started watching their videos, and I ended up watching all of their videos. That was when they didn't have a lot of videos on their channel, so I was like, how do they have so many subscribers but they only have like 8 videos? So then I found out that they left BuzzFeed. They actually ended up making a video about why they left BuzzFeed, and I was like, oh, they used to be part of BuzzFeed. So I felt kind of special because I was like, oh, like I'm starting to witness their come up as it happens. And then that whole summer, they called it the Summer of Try. So that was when they went on tour and all that stuff. I really, low key, I wish I would have gone. We're in I think it was Philadelphia, where they were threw a chicken nugget at a chandelier. Y'all tell me that's not lit. Try Guys, they try stuff. So like they did drinking and driving high. They just recently uploaded a video of them doing a drunk versus high Easter egg hunt, and it was so funny. They're really hilarious people, and it's even better because they're best friends. Even more entertaining because it's genuine. Like you can really tell that they like what they do because it's genuine, and it comes from a place of like genuineness. Like I just watch the Try Guys. I feel like if you don't know about the Try Guys, you're under a rock. So basically it's the Try Guys, and they have a podcast, and they talk about all kinds of like crazy stuff, and they do like a try of the week or whatever. It's funny. Like if you watch them, you will genuinely laugh because they're naturally funny people. So my last and final YouTube channel that I watch frequently is John Solo. So I really like John Solo. He's hilarious, but like his humor is like really dry and sarcastic, and that's what makes it funnier. Of origins, like the messed up origins of Snow White, the messed up oranges, the messed up origins of Aladdin and Thumbelina and all that stuff. And he also does Greek mythology. Like he talks about Greek mythology. That's his own spin to it, and it's funny. I really like his videos, and like I said, like his humor makes it so much funnier. Even though like some stuff that's not funny, he makes it funny. Come to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. With that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.